Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I got a KsCraft's bow die and I'm making some bows for a swap that I'm in. And this is the bow that it comes out to be. These are the dies. I have a small and a large. This one is the large. So I'm going to try to put together a small one, but I'll have you watch the assembly of this one, and I'll be back.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, feeling the vibe. We are so alive. There's a me and you now. Let me smoke that pipe. Feeling so fly. Wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control. Always on tonight, and you shine like gold. I can't get enough now. Let me come real close. Baby, strike a pose. I wanna drink my wine, feeling that vibe. We're so alive. Is it me and you now? Let me smoke that pipe. Oh, feeling so fly. Wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control. Always on tonight, and you shine like gold. I can get enough now. Let me come real close now. Baby, strike a pose.
Okay, so here's the big one and the small one. Yeah, I like the way this one comes out. I like all the layers. So hope you found some inspiration in these. I've got many more to cut and make, so let me get back to work. But I just wanted to share with you this KsCraft bow and how beautiful it looks. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!